So what's up, fam? I had a lot of people ask me about breaking down Amazing Grace. So I'm going to play it first, and then I'm going to break it down step by step, show you every chord in details. So here we go. Now start right here on a D flat major chord, the melody on top. Second chord, this is a D flat major 7. Then you have a D flat 7. Then we go here. This is a F minor 7 flat 5. Then we go to a G flat, add 2. Then we have this diminished chord right here, keeping the melody on top. This is a G diminished 7. And we land on a D flat over A flat. We have an F7 flat 9. Next we have a G diminished 7. Then we have an A diminished 7. And then we have a B flat minor 7. So you have this. Then we go into the next part. I'll do this walk down. The bass is walking down, the chorus are walking up. All right, let's break that down. We have a B flat minor 7, A diminished 7. You have this D flat major 7 over A flat. Woo, love this chord. It's an E flat 13 sus. Then we have this. You play the A flat 13 sus, or you can play this. A flat 9 sus 4. Then I have this little walk up. So this is a E flat minor 7. This is a G flat major 7 over F. Then we land on the A flat. Then we have this walk up, A flat, B flat diminished 7. All right, here on this chord, we have a B flat minor 9, 11. Woo, love this. That's a big chord. Let's do that again. Right here, we have an A flat minor 7, 13. All right, we have this F minor 7 flat 5 flat 13 again. Then we go a little churchy on it. Yes, sir. Woo! You guys heard that before. We all grew up on those chords. Do some old school chords. All right, so what am I doing there? I have a G flat 13 sus. Then I have a G flat 6. Then I have a G 9 sus 4. Then we back to the G flat 9. right, let's keep going. Then we have this G diminished 7. And we end here on the D flat over A flat. Then you got F7 again. Then we have this G diminished 7. We have this A diminished 7. And we're here on the B flat minor 7. So what I do now is I kind of fill up that space with this little walk down. Still on the melody line. See that? So right here we have a E flat 9 13. So we're A flat 9 sus 4. You can resolve it right here to the A flat 7. Sometimes I do this. A flat 7 flat 9. And you're back here at the beginning.